This wonderful work of nature, Niagara Falls, sits in the vibrant city of Niagara, Ontario. It forms part of the international border between Canada and the United States. From research, Niagara Falls was formed over 12,000 years ago during the last ice age when glaciers melted and large water began to flow from the Great Lakes into Niagara River. On our way to the Maid of the Mist boat tours, which takes tourists close to the base of the fall. Wondering why we all have a raincoat? The splash of the water is high, especially when close to the base of the fall. The effect is thunderous. Even with our raincoat, we were still drenched in water, but it was a sweet experience.
Now everybody's screaming. No, I'm not putting this down. I have to get this golden moment. Oh my goodness. There's so much water here. So much. Woo! It's time. Oh my God! I'm drenched in water! I'm looking at you, you're drenched. Huh? You're drenched in water. Yeah. It's okay. This is the beauty of it. This is so fun. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay, oh my God, this is so beautiful. I can't even see anything again. I can't see anything. God is amazing. The mist. The mist is so much here. But it's really beautiful. Oh, that pressure, man. Because it's so cold. The water is freezing cold. Imagine during the winter time. Yeah. That's why they don't do this during the winter. Honestly. High and lower. La la la. Leon jump to the lake, swim. Natural selection, the local. Go, I feel Hey, what me anymore? You don't see anything. Everything is just. Salam, what am I? What is that? You got really scared. That scared you. I'm blowing. We are boating away. Aeroplane, flying away in the boat. Under them, American people.
The boat on the other side is the American boat with their blue raincoat. This is to avoid mixture of babies at the word. You know what I mean.
Yeah, Americans, they get to go through the water itself. Oh, yeah. They get to go on the trail. That's different than American. United Stations. That was so fun. I would do it again. Oh, it's cold. That was fun. It's really cold, yeah. Wait. No. See, that's it. I don't know, Sha. See. And this bridge to at America, at New Year, not at Canada, not the world. No, and now, where is the bridge to the US?
The tourist guide also guided us through the tunnels that lead directly behind the falls, providing a unique view of the powerful waterfall from behind a curtain of water.
I'm going to send a picture of this to my boss. Behind the falls, behind the mighty work of God. This is so amazing, so beautiful. Ooh. Niagara Falls, beautiful sightseeing. Yes, please.
Oh my goodness. Myself and my daughter had another beautiful experience, helicopter ride over Niagara. It took us on a breathtaking journey, hovering over the city of Niagara and the falls.
Jenseits der Regenbogenbrücke sehen Sie die amerikanischen Fälle sowie die schmalen Baumschlagen in Parklandschaft. Wurde bereits 1885 die Niagara Falls.
Did you know that several power plants harness energy from the water to generate electricity? Yes, the over 3,000 tons of water that flows over Niagara Falls every second generates millions of kilowatts of hydroelectric power for both the US and Canada. Niagara Falls is one of the iconic landmarks in the world. Whether you're seeking adventure, natural scenery, or family fun, it offers something for everyone. We capped the first day with a sumptuous dinner on a rotating boat. Chai, Chineke. Me, I didn't know the boat was revolving until my mobile phone was far away from me. On the D-Day of my birthday, which was the reason we visited Niagara Falls, we went for a massage to relax nerves and souls, Jari.
Now it's massage time on my birthday. Massage, huh? Let's go and get our boy.
Then capped it with another sumptuous dinner at an Italian restaurant, where the people refused to believe this young adult is my daughter, but rather my sister. Okay, Nami Bonamsha.
I put salt in my coffee. No. It's still salty. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, girl. That's my fault. But that's a special taste for my special birthday, a day after my birthday. Yeah? Are you justifying this? Sometimes, people just try to combine some things and, experiment.
So I guess this is an experiment, not a deliberate experiment.
I've never tasted salted coffee before.
But this was the first time.
It's amazing.
So it's amazing, right?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Because the sugar and the cream is overpowering it a little bit, but it's still salty.
So that means you'll continue this journey. Your next coffee, you're going to add a pinch of salt.
Mommy, leave me.
And the jacuzzi aye. Hey, see my daughter flangering. You want to see more? Good job. Thanks for hanging out with us on Social Angle with Toyin. Bye for now.